Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we're talking about how to host a website for free in Google Drive. So 100% free guys. So you don't need to pay any amount for this. It's 100% free. So you are hosting your site on Google Drive for free. So if you are new to this channel, please do well to subscribe and turn on the notification bell. Also do well to like this video so that more people will see this video and it will be beneficial to them. So today guys, like I said earlier, we'll be talking about how to host your website for free. So you'll be saving thousands of dollars on a yearly basis. So we are using Google Drive for this. You know that Google Drive is a place where you store important documents. uh you store important documents that are very important to you. So that's what you do in Google Drive. You store pictures, you store videos that you need, you store your certificates. So that's what most of us do in Google Drive. But you can also upload things like your videos, your MP3 on Google Drive. MP3, when I talk about MP3, I'm talking about audio. Yeah, audio. So you can upload your podcast on Google Drive and create a whole lot of things on Google Drive, guys. So there are so many things you can do on Google Drive. So you can also host your HTML and CSS file and JavaScript file on Google Drive. So that's what we're doing today, guys. We'll be hosting our JavaScript file, our HTML file, our CSS file on Google Drive. So that's what you are supposed to do. So you are supposed to have this prepared already. You're supposed to have this already prepared before we start. So you should have the code of your website, the ideal website you want to build. You should have it prepared already. So we can dive into the video. You should note that this does not support with WordPress or PHP. So you shouldn't use this for WordPress or PHP. But for any of that uh, platform, it will work. So the first thing we have to do is get a website. The code, like I stated, that the code we'll be using, it should be available. Saying I got this just for illustration purpose. Then you click it, drag it, and send it to my drive. Send it to my drive. Then you come back to this uh place. So you can access Google Drive for those of us that don't know through Google drive.google.com. So that's one of the ways you can access Google Drive. So that's that. Uh, so get this. Then you should note that this thing we are doing today is free, 100% free, and there's no bandwidth to it, and it's secure. So it's very secure, and your site is always up. It will never be down. Unlike some sites that we having some issues with their server. Google site doesn't have any issue with their server. Their server is always on. Their server is always available. So you can see the file here has uploaded. So what we do now is look for the file. Uh, okay, let's go to. We look for the file. Yeah, we look for the file. The file don't seems to be here. So I think we should go to recent. Let's look for it at in recent. This is not up showing here. Let's go to recent. Okay, it's not showing. Okay, let's go to recent. Recent. She showed you. Yeah, yes it. So what we'll do here, guys, is go to get link, get link, and click on that. So what we want to do is to make it public to people, so that people will be able to view it. So that people will be able to view this site. So that's what we are going to do right now. So after clicking on get link, so you see it's restricted. Only people who added can open this link. We don't want that. We want everybody with the link to be able to see it. So anyone with the link view can view of this file can see and comment. So done. Okay. So we should rename this to start with www. So www dot okay, you can put www dot your site name dot html dot com. Anywhere you want to do it. Dot, let's just put dot com here for illustration purpose. Let's put dot com, com. Okay, okay, it has been renamed to businesssite.com. So that's for Google Drive. So let's look at get link again. You're supposed to rename it before get link. You have to rename this file first before you put get link. Then come to grv.tw, drv.tw. Yeah, so you see drive to web. So this is the platform you use to host your Google Drive, or your file from a Google Drive or your Microsoft Drive to web. So any file they find here, you can host it directly to web. So this is the server. You see they have 3 billion requests served. You see the number is going up consistently. It's going up, it's going up. So you have more than 3 billion people using this platform, to show that it's a very, very assured platform. So many people are using it. By the time you're trying to look at this now, it might be 4 billion, even 10 billion. So many persons are using this platform. It's a very secure platform to use. So once you come here, make sure that the email you're going to use is the same email. Let's reload this. It's the same email as the one you used in your Google Drive. So make sure the email you're using is the same as the one you used in your Google Drive, so that they will to have access to that. Make sure it's the same email you use in your Google Drive. Okay, so that's this. So you choose the email. Choose an email account. The one you use in hosting that's the one you're supposed to use. So after choosing that email account, you choose that email account. So the drive to where we look at, so you click allow. So what this platform will do is look through your Google Drive and see if there is any file that contains HTML, contains CSS, that contains JavaScript that needs to be hosted. That file I showed you just now doesn't contain that. So that's why probably we'll get an error message saying that no file was found. But as your web developer should have developed a web for you, or if you're a web developer, you want to use this platform yourself, you should have done that, and that will allow your platform to be live on on Google Drive and hosted through this platform. So let's click allow again. Let's see. Okay, congratulations, you made it. Okay, your web page. See, no web page was found with HTML on that. So this is the site name. So you can change it to anyone you want. You can change this number to whatever thing you want. Whatever thing you want, your site name, you can change it. Let's use digital axe. It should be up to 20 letters, I think, more than 20. Digital axe. Where is the C in the board? Okay, digital axe. Uh, there's no dot, so it's letters. Let's use letters 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 0. Okay, then set site name. You can set the site name for that. So you see, so if there was any page on that my drive that wasn't, so I didn't want to do that because that's a code I got from another person, so I don't want to host their website here. So that's on that person's business site. I helped in designing, so it had already been hosted in another platform. So I just changed some things so it wasn't able to recognize it in Google Drive. So you see, correlation the moment you find link to be shared in the web page below. So if you are stuck, probably you are unable to find this, you're unable to find the web page, probably as you getting this error message, comment below and I will tell you how to fix that. If you are getting this error message, comment below and I will show you the exact process to fix that. If you are using OneDrive for business, okay. So this is basically it, guys. This is basically it. So you should be able to get link from that place to this web page. Imagine if this was an HTML page, you should be able to get a link that you can share, and you can customize this link later. But that will be in another video. I don't want this video to be long. You can I will create a video on how to customize this link to get a like a real domain name. So you buy a domain name and link into this web hosting for free. So you will just paying for domain name. So that's it, guys. That's it. So you cannot host your website for free in Google Drive. Please do it to subscribe to this channel and like this video so that more people will be able to see this video and participate and get the value out of this video. Thank you very much, guys, and remember to subscribe to this video. Go and create your go and host your website on Google Drive and let's see how it goes. Thank you very much.